students. Today in this video we are going to start a fresh chapter, a new chapter, that is tenses. Before getting into the topic, I would like you to see these three sentences. First one says, I make breakfast every day. Second one says, I made breakfast yesterday. Third one says, I will make breakfast tomorrow. Now these three sentences are not the same. Why? Because in the first sentence, when I used make, I am talking about the present time. So the first sentence is in the present tense. Second one, I made. Made refers to what has happened in the past. Therefore, it is in the past tense. The second sentence is in the past tense. Third one, I will make breakfast tomorrow. I will make. That hasn't happened, that work hasn't happened, but will take place in the future. So that refers to future tense. Altogether now, there are three tenses: present, past and future. Now in tenses, you must understand that there are different uses of be, have and do. Now we are going to discuss the uses of the verb be. The word be can be used as the main verb or the helping verb. Where? In a sentence. Example, she is strong. Is a form of be. The train is coming. They are honest. In the first sentence, it is used as a main verb. Suppose if I have written the sentence like she is strong, I don't get the sense from the sentence. So that won't be exactly a sentence. Why? Because a sentence makes complete sense. The train is coming. Here it is used as a helping verb. The train is coming. How it is a helping verb? Because the main verb is coming. But to make it a sense, we are using the word is, and it is a helping verb before the main verb. Third one says, they are honest. They are honest. Are is also a form of be. Why I have used are? Because it is plural. They are honest. They refers to plural subject. Therefore, it is known as the main verb. Now here in the bracket, I have written few verbs. That is the form of be. Is, am, are, was, were, be, being, being, all are the form of be. They all are used in a sentence. Now I will tell you where to use be. Look at this table. Look at this table very carefully. I have made three boxes, that is of simple present, simple past and simple future. Now over here, I refers to me. When I am talking about myself, suppose I am talking about the present time, simple present, I have to make a sentence with the letter I. I will use am. Am is the form of be. With the same letter I have to mention something about the past in a sentence. I will use was. For future, the sentence will contain will be. Second one, when we are mentioning a sentence or writing a sentence with either he, she, it, they all are in singular form. With the singular, we will use is for simple present, was for simple past, and for simple future, we will use will be. For the plural subject, we will use are, were, and will be. Plural refers to you, we, they, them. Simple present, using the letters you, we and they, we will use are. For simple past, it will have were. For simple future, it will have will be. We have discussed the uses of be, where to use be. Now we are going to discuss the uses of have. Like be, have can also be used as a main verb or a helping verb. Have, has and had, they are all the form of have. Okay? Look at the example. I have an apple. Now the sentence has a subject, verb and an object. What is the verb over here? What is the main verb? The main verb is have. In the second sentence, you can easily see I have finished my work. What is the verb over here? The verb, the main verb is finished. Finished is telling about an action. That is the main verb in this sentence. But what is making the sentence, giving it a correct tense? Have. I have finished my work. So in the second sentence, it is being used as a helping verb. Now I want you to look at the table for have. The table that will tell you about the uses of have and its form. With I in simple present, have will be same as have. For simple past, with I, it becomes had, referring to simple past. For future, it will become will have. Now with he, she and it, they all are singular. Now whenever we are writing a sentence starting with he, she or it, that is singular, for simple present we will use has. For simple past, had. She has refers to simple present. She had or he had, it refers to simple past. And for future, she will have, he will have, it refers to simple future. Now with the plural subject, that refers to you, we, they. We will use for simple present have. You have, they have a pet, you have a pet for simple present. Had will be used with the plural in simple past. Will have will be used for simple future. We have discussed the usage of be, the usage of have. Now we are going to discuss the use of will and shall. What is the use of will and shall? The words will and shall are used with verbs in future tense. Where are they used? With the verbs in future tense. Okay. Now you see, earlier shall was used with I and we. Earlier, I am talking about the earlier time. Shall was used with the letter I and we. Will was used for subjects in the second and third person. What is first person, second person and third person? First person, when a sentence says I, he, she, it, they all refer to second person. What is third person? The moment I say you, they, it refers to third person. So earlier usage of shall and will is mentioned over here. Where were they used? What is the use of will and shall? With the verb in future tense. But now will is used with all the subjects. Okay, now will is used with all the subjects. So this was all about the chapter tenses. We will see more about the tenses, that is future tense, past tense and present tense, in the coming videos. The exercises for this explanation will be given to you on the WhatsApp group. Kindly do it and submit it on my WhatsApp number with your name, class and serial number. Thank you.